Have you ever wondered why the chicken you cooked is too dry or the steak is too tough? It's a question that's plagued home cooks for years, and the answer usually lies in the temperature. Cooking meat is a delicate balance, one that many of us struggle to master. Overcooking can leave your chicken parched and your steak rubbery. Undercooking, on the other hand, can lead to a host of health problems, not to mention a meal that's less than appetizing. Then there's the issue of uneven cooking. How often have you cut into a roast only to find it perfectly cooked on the outside but raw in the middle? It's frustrating and, frankly, a waste of good meat. The key to cooking meat lies in hitting the sweet spot, that perfect temperature that ensures your meat is cooked to perfection, whether it's a juicy steak, a tender chicken, or a succulent roast. But what if there's a tool that can help you cook your meat to perfection every single time? Enter the wireless meat thermometer, your new cooking companion. This nifty gadget is not just another kitchen tool, it's a game changer, designed to bring precision and consistency to your cooking. No longer will you have to slice into your steak or roast to check if it's done. Instead, a wireless meat thermometer provides real-time temperature readings right from the heart of your meat. This means you can monitor the internal temperature of your meat as it cooks, ensuring it's cooked to perfection every single time. What's more, the wireless meat thermometer isn't tethered to your oven or grill. It has an impressive range of operation, allowing you to roam freely around your home or even step outside without losing connection. This means you can keep an eye on your roast while you're prepping your side dishes, or even while you're enjoying a glass of wine on the patio. But the magic of the wireless meat thermometer doesn't stop there. It's compatible with a variety of cooking methods. Whether you're grilling, roasting, smoking, or even sous videing, this device is versatile enough to handle it all. It's like having a personal chef who specializes in all types of cooking right in your kitchen. And if you're worried about the complexity of such a sophisticated tool, don't be. The wireless meat thermometer is incredibly easy to use. Simply insert the probe into your meat, set your desired temperature, and let the thermometer do the rest. And for an even more convenient experience, you can sync the device to your smartphone. This allows you to monitor your meat's temperature from anywhere in your home, right from your phone's screen. In essence, the wireless meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. It ensures your meat is cooked just the way you like it, every time, without the need for constant checking or second guessing. It's a tool that brings confidence to your cooking and consistency to your meals. With the wireless meat thermometer, you can say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meat. Let's take a moment to recap what we've talked about today. We began by discussing the common problems faced in the kitchen, especially when it comes to cooking meat. We all know the struggle of undercooking or overcooking our favorite cuts. This not only affects the taste and texture, but could also pose health risks. Then we introduced the game-changing solution, the wireless meat thermometer. This handy gadget eliminates guesswork, providing you with accurate temperature readings from your meat, even from a distance. It's a breeze to use with its easy-to-read digital display and convenient preset temperature settings for different types of meat. Moreover, it comes with the added advantage of mobility. You can step away from the grill or oven and still keep a close eye on your cooking. Imagine the freedom. Remember, cooking meat doesn't have to be a hit or miss. With the right tool, like the wireless meat thermometer, you can nail it every time.